The prominent red background featuring a golden yellow logo is widely recognized by all. Today, McDonald's is valued at $200 billion. Burgers plus fries equals to 200 billion US dollar? Of course not. So how did they achieve this? Welcome to Do Academy. Today, we're delving deeper into the synergies of McDonald's business strategies. In the post-war era of the 1940s, when fast food was virtually non-existent, Richard and Maurice McDonald, the original founders of McDonald's, revolutionized the dining experience. They introduced a self-service approach, utilized paper utensils, and prioritized quick service. This groundbreaking business model was not only ahead of its time, but also laid the foundation for McDonald's success. The turning point came when their innovative approach caught the attention of the milkshake machine supplier for McDonald's. Recognizing the potential, Ray Kroc proposed the idea of franchising to McDonald's, marking the beginning of a new chapter. With the acquisition of franchise rights, Kroc became a key player in McDonald's expansion. He employed his sales expertise to actively encourage individuals to join the McDonald's franchise, thereby earning royalties. However, as the number of franchise stores increased, so did the company's liabilities. It became evident that the traditional model of earning royalties alone wasn't yielding proportional profits. Facing this challenge, Harry Sonburn, Kroc's astute financial advisor, put forward a daring proposal. He suggested a strategic shift of either acquiring an entire land, undertaking store reconstruction, or negotiating a 20-year lease with the original landowners. This innovative approach turned McDonald's into a property owner, enabling them to sublease stores to franchises. It's not only ensured a stable income, but also provided McDonald's with greater control over its expansion. By venturing into the real estate realm, McDonald's not only secured its foothold, but also set the path for future success.
You're not in the burger business, you're in the real estate business.
Kroc immediately established a real estate company, utilizing real estate to oversee franchise stores and bypass control from the McDonald brothers. Not soon after, he acquired the entire McDonald's brand for 2.7 million US dollar, marking a new era for the company. With the help of his professional team, McDonald's selected the most optimal locations by examining factors such as traffic conditions, population distribution, and foot traffic patterns. McDonald's, with its immense brand value and large customer flow, became a sought-after tenant for property developers. Many upcoming business districts advertised McDonald's impending arrival to create an illusion and attract other merchants to lease or purchase shops. As a result, McDonald's could often lease or buy stores and land in prime locations at lower prices. At one point, even property developers were happy to sell cheaply to McDonald's because once McDonald's established itself in an area, nearby stores could sell at higher prices. Holding numerous long-term leases and land also allowed McDonald's to easily obtain loans from banks, providing a continuous cash flow for its expansion. However, for McDonald's to consistently enjoy rental income, each store must generate revenue for franchises. Therefore, as a fast food chain, it ultimately needs to focus on core products and brand building. McDonald's boasts an extensive logistic network, warehouses, and production lines, fine-tuning the supply chain for consistent and sustainable delivery to all franchise stores. Actively engaged in reshaping the supply chain, McDonald's lowered procurement costs and subsequently streamlined purchasing, supplying franchise stores at standard prices. This not only enables McDonald's to realize greater profits through price differentials than just selling burgers, but also ensures rigorous quality control. Through centralized purchasing and efficient supply chain management spanning thousands of global franchise stores, McDonald's maximized both quality assurance and profitability. With the iconic yellow arches, consistent brand image, innovative products and marketing, social responsibility, and digital transformation, McDonald's has established strong customer awareness and trust in the brand. Initiatives like Ronald McDonald House Charities, focusing on children's health and well-being, and charity projects like Run for Love contribute to a positive social image. Collaborations with celebrities like Justin Timberlake, Pharrell Williams, and Jolene Tsai in creating theme songs combining music with brand image provided consumer with a novel brand experience as well. This multifaceted branding has further strengthened the brand's leading position in the global fast food industry. To date, McDonald's has earned more than $7.3 billion in rental income, which accounts for 38% of the company's total revenue. Based on a bold and visionary stance, McDonald's has established a balanced and perfected business model. So, considering its real estate ventures, streamlined supply chain, and iconic brand building strategies, what aspect do you think played the most crucial role in propelling McDonald's to its current market value of $200 billion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, share, and follow Do Academy for more actionable investment insights.